Hi, I'm Bill Kyziak, the marketing manager for Hirose Electric USA. Welcome to the first Hirose virtual product presentation from our home offices. With me today, remotely, is Bill McKillop, our Interconnect Technology Manager.
Hey, Bill, how are you doing?
I'm great, thanks. We're here today to talk about the iX Industrial, a connector series developed by Hirose. So, Bill, why don't you start us off?
Sure thing. The first thing I would like to say is right from the start, our design goal was to take the strength of the ubiquitous RJ45 and improve on it in every single way. As you can see, we've reduced the size by about 75%. What's not so obvious is just how much we've improved both the electrical and the mechanical performance.
Wow, that's a pretty drastic reduction in size. What benefits does the customer gain from that?
Well, the first benefit is that we've enhanced the shell and the solder posts for greatly improved retention forces and superior grounding capability. An additional benefit of this size reduction is that in the space where you could only fit 3 RJ45s previously, you can now design in 6 iX Industrials. Moreover, we've provided multiple keys for those applications that require it.
Well, that looks great, but what if the customer's design calls for a different orientation of the iX, say a vertical or a horizontal right angle?
That's funny you should ask because our engineers have designed 3 different types of receptacles for our customers to design with. The iX family series has lots of options for you.
Well, that's a lot of options on the receptacle side, but what about the plug side?
Well, we have plenty of options for the designer there as well. On the plug cable side, we have a soldered version, iX40G, that accepts 18 to 30 gauge wire. And we have 3 IDC versions, a 22 to 24 gauge iX32, a 24 to 26 gauge iX31, and a 26 to 28 gauge iX30. Of course, to make use of the high-speed capability, you can always use Cat 6A cable.
Well, are there any tools available for the cable assembler? You know, terminating a 6A cable can be kind of tricky.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Bill. Fabricating a 6A cable repeatedly can be difficult. So to help the cable manufacturers, we've designed a 2-cycle ratcheting hand tool that will give the fabricator a consistent, repeatable wire and braid termination time after time.
Wow, that sounds great. Well, you know, when we in marketing investigate new product ideas for our customers, and any industries in general, they typically ask for a second source when considering any new products. How has engineering addressed this issue?
Well, Bill, we do have industry partners for the iX Industrial connector. And the iX Industrial was designed to meet a rigorous industry connector standard, the IEC 61076 specification shown on the accompanying slide here. And it has been tested to the vibration spec called out for use in high-speed bullet trains, identified here. And as a result, it can be accepted into any robust design that may require multiple sources. As a point of note, the iX Industrial was also adopted into the AIA GIGI Vision Standard Committee.
So the iX Industrial was designed to meet an industry mechanical standard. Has our engineering team evaluated the electrical performance?
Well, yes. As previously mentioned, if your design requires high-speed capability, the iX Industrial has been designed and tested to pass IEEE 802.3 10 gigabit Ethernet data rates. We'll also have simulation data that shows excellent USB 3.1 performance with predictive eye patterns at 5 gigabits per second.
Well, what other features and benefits are coming for the iX Industrial series?
Well, looking at the technical roadmap, we see a right angle plug, IP67 rating, integrated magnetics, and a screw lock version.
Are there any other additional features and benefits we haven't talked about yet?
Sure are, Bill. Some additional highlights include the high-speed bullet train vibration testing, PoE capability, 10 gigabit Ethernet capability, and we have a third key coming very shortly.
Well, that's great. The iX Industrial really sounds like a new versatile new connector family.
It sure is. And as a result, the iX Industrial can be designed into many different applications, including the medical industry, communications, satellite, oil and gas, robotics, mobility, and many, many more.
Well, thanks for joining us today, Bill. And for more information on the iX Industrial and any other Hirose product, please visit us at hirose.com. Thanks for watching and stay safe.